In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stripe payment to Wix. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open your site's main dashboard. This is the control center for your website, and it's where you manage everything from design settings to business tools. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your site, including the tools related to payments and checkout. After you open Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you connect payment providers so you can start receiving money from customers directly through your website. If you plan to sell products, services, bookings, or anything else online, this is the section you'll need to set up properly. Once you're on the Accept Payments page, Wix will show you the payment options available for your region. This part is important because payment methods can vary depending on the country your business is registered in. If Stripe is supported in your area, you'll see it listed as one of the available providers. When you find Stripe, click Connect. Wix will then guide you through the setup process. At this stage, you'll need to provide the required business and account details so Stripe can verify your information and activate payments for your site. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your official business or banking details, since errors here can slow down approval or cause issues later. As you go through the connection process, take your time to review each screen carefully. Payment setup is one of the most important parts of running an online business, so it's worth double-checking everything before you finish. Once the connection is complete, Stripe will be linked to your Wix site, and you'll be able to accept payments from customers through your checkout. If Stripe doesn't appear on the page, that usually means it isn't currently available in your region through Wix, so you may need to use a different payment provider that is supported in your location. And that's all it takes. Open your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, select Accept Payments, choose Stripe if it's available in your region, and connect it by entering the necessary details. After that, your site will be one step closer to being ready for online sales.